Hey Forest 3! Our tool of the week this week is one of Forest 3's favorites, wall push-ups. We are going to practice one of our tools called wall push-ups. We are going to use the wall to do several push-ups. How do I do wall push-ups? First, I face the wall and stick out my hand. I should be a little more than an arm's length away from the wall. Then I should stand on the tips of my toes. Then I place my hands on the wall like this. Finally, I do a wall push-up by leaning into the wall and pushing away from the wall. It helps if I try to do at least 10 wall push-ups. Let's practice. Forest 3, practice wall push-ups with me. We'll do 10 push-ups. Hands on the wall. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice job! I can use this tool in all of the zones. I can use wall push-ups when I'm tired in the blue zone and trying to wake up. I can use wall push-ups when I'm excited in the yellow zone and need to get the wiggles out. One of the best times to use wall push-ups is when I'm mad in the red zone and trying to calm down. Today, the tool we used was wall push-ups. It is important to practice my tools. Thanks for practicing with me today.